long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey everybody, it's Lindsay J, back with another video, and today's video I'm so excited to make because I'm finally going to open the gifts you guys gave to me at the meetups in Belgrade and also Novi Sad. So, I'm going to stop talking now because I think this is going to be a long video. So, let's get on to the video. Alright, so the first bag that I will be unboxing is this one. I'm kind of just picking random things because I had to put them in like different bags to bring them on the plane. So first I have this really adorable like pillow smiley face thing, and it's amazing. So that's cool. I have this tiny little bear who I love. I'm gonna have to get him a name. I'm really bad at thinking of names on the spot, so I think that you guys should comment down below some Serbian names, and I will pick the winner. Also, like I do in every video, I will give a shout out to the person right here for having my post notifications turned on. And if you want me to shout you out on my videos, turn on post notifications and post notification squad in the comments. I have this like hand sewn kitty cat, if you guys can see. I think this is really cool actually because I love cats. So as you guys know, we have Snowball wherever the heck she decides to be right now because she doesn't like to listen to me all the time, but that's okay. And it looks like we have another stuffed animal because you guys know me so well. I love stuffed animals. So I have this little guy here. It's like a dog thing. He has pink eyes, which is so dope. Like, that's amazing. Ooh, it's these. Look, guys, you see this? Wow. It's like Munchmallow. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not really sure. And it looks like somebody here has put their Instagram, and it is Katarina.kata, and we have Mina.lazic, and we have Mileva Jukuvic, something like that. I will follow all of you guys after I shoot this video because I'm shooting it on my phone. So thanks you guys so much for this, and huge shout out to you guys. We have like this little clay thing here, which is kind of cool actually. It's really great. So I really like the smell of new putty for some reason. It smells good. So thanks whoever it was who got me this. Now we have this jar here that I really love. It had a thingy on top of it, but sadly I can't understand this because it is in acrylic, but that's okay because my boyfriend will help me translate it, so it's all good, guys. I will figure this out. And I have this tiny little like box thing that says Lindsay with a giant heart on it. Can you guys see this? Yes, that is cute too. I really like the things that you guys made for me. And I have this Heartbeat BU deodorant body spray. It smells so good. It smells really good. It smells like love. Like, I think that's weird to say, but it really does. Oh my god, this is like my favorite Serbian chocolate, you guys. This is like my favorite. I freaking love this stuff. So thanks so much for the chocolate. You guys actually sent me like so many snacks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to film a video where I taste test all of these Serbian snacks. And then we have these things that are like Jaffa cakes. It looks like it's like an orange and chocolate, which is pretty cool. I've never really had something like that, so I can't wait to taste that. We have like this little thingy here that says Belgrade on it with hearts. I love heart eyes. I love Belgrade. That's great. I love Belgrade. I do actually. So, and then somebody got me, well, didn't get me, but they made me a painted rock. So that's cool. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna make another video where I decorate my room with like all the things you guys got me. So stay tuned for that also. But next up, this bag that has like a bunch of flowers on it. And the first thing I see is this freaking teddy bear. And I'm so glad because I love teddy bears, guys. I'm actually gonna sleep with this bear like every single night. Like, I'm gonna bring this with me everywhere. We have this cool little like notebook. It's really cool, actually. Like, it has like some flower designs on it, as you can see. And it just has a bunch of blank pages in it, but the pages are like, I don't know what that material is called, but it's like thick, you know, and it's like textured. I don't know how to explain it, but it's cool. Thanks. We have, it looks like homemade slime, actually. I think that's exactly what this is. So let's open it and see if the slime is like still good, because, you know, it's been a while since it's made. Well, oh my god, it smells so good. Like, honestly, I just want to keep this so I can smell it all the time. It smells like a unicorn. Thanks for making this for me, because honestly, I really wanted slime. And next, oh, it looks like somebody went to New York, because this has the American flag on it, and it has the Statue of Liberty, as you can see. Right. The Statue of Liberty is dope in New York. Oh my god, that's so cool. And the pages have like little butterflies. Yeah, thanks. That's really cool. This is pretty dope too, as you guys can see. Earrings, which is pretty freaking lit, man. And I love this box. This is so cute. It says like present for you. That's so cute. That's so cute. Thanks.
Oi, Kosovo, Kosovo. Zemljo moja voljena, zemljo slavni vitezova, Lazara i Miloša.